In this video, you will see how to change dark mode in Word Online. It's very easy. In Microsoft Word Online, first you need to go here on the View tab. After clicking on the View tab, you will see the option of dark mode. This dark mode is used to change the interface of Microsoft Word to dark. So you can turn on the dark mode like this. As soon as you turn on the dark mode, you will get the another option, switch background. So you can click on this option to turn black page to white or white page to black like this. In case you want to turn off the dark mode, you can always turn off the dark mode by clicking on it and you will get the light mode. In this way, you can easily change dark mode in Microsoft Word Online quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word Online quickly. See you again in the next one.